What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. If you guys watched in one of my more recent videos, I had an issue with the F30. There it goes, it got triggered. Dang it, no! No, we're so close. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to figure it out in that video. However, I have some good news. I think. We don't know for sure yet, but I think I know what's going on. All right, so we got the F30 in the courtyard. Now, let me just say, guys, since that last video, I went ahead and invested in a proper scan tool. Before I'd use BeamerLink, and as great as that is, and as convenient as it is, these things just tell you so much more about the car. So this, I think, is gonna save me a lot of time and a lot of money. It wasn't cheap, but in the long run, it's nice to have. So if I plug this into the car, of course, in the OBD port, and I connect this thing, you guys will be able to see I have a whole bunch of faults. Not surprising, I have a whole bunch of things coming up on the dash. I was actually able to see that it was telling me that it was the front left ABS sensor. So what I went ahead and did was got the correct wheel sensors, or at least what I think are the correct wheel sensors from FCP Euro. And this time around, they actually look a little more accurate. So here's a new sensor. This time around, it's actually all black. The first ones had gray, which was really weird because the ones on my car didn't. They are all black like this. So I'm hoping that's a sign in the right direction, but who knows? For now, I'm just gonna quickly do this, get both of them on, because although it said front left, I just got two just in case they're cheap enough. And then there's a few other things that I need to address on this car because, well, I have some news about this car. Maybe good news, maybe bad news, but it's news, so stick around. All right, so we got one of the new sensors in, but just like the last video, I want to fire up the car really quickly and see if it throws me any codes, because last time when I put the wrong sensor in, right away, the car started bugging out. So, let's see if it does it this time. Yeah, so far, guys, no codes on the dash, nothing to be found. So I think we actually have the right sensors this time. But before I move on to the other side and fix the actual side that's wrong, there's a few things we have to address first. And again, it has to do with that news that I'll tell you guys in a bit. But before we even get to all of that, I just want to take a minute to thank today's video sponsor. And you guys already know who they are. That's right, it is Simply Carbon Fiber. If you guys don't know them, they make a whole bunch of cool carbon fiber accessories. I have a few of them. So here's just two that I use on a daily basis. We have the carbon phone case, which is super sleek, super thin and lightweight, and also of course has that carbon fiber look. And then we also have their carbon slim wallet. Again, this thing is also super slim and sleek, also rocking that carbon fiber look. This thing holds up to 7 cards, has a money clip over here on the back. These two things, guys, absolutely love them. They look amazing together. I just hate big and bulky phone cases or wallets. It's just not my style. I'm more of a simple person, so these things are perfect for me. And then also having that carbon fiber aesthetic just makes it that much better. So if you guys want the wallet or the phone case or any of the other cool carbon fiber stuff that they offer, go check out the links down in the description below. There's also a promo code for you guys to use to get an additional discount. Anyways, with that said, we're gonna get back to the F30, and I'll tell you guys exactly what else we need to address. And maybe I'll just tell you guys the news now. I don't know. I probably spoiled it in the title and thumbnail anyways. Look who pulled up, guys. We got Sticks. So he's gonna help me out, which is nice because I was using the tripod. But anyways, we're gonna basically take off this mud flap right over here because this is like one of the last things that I never parted out on the car. I think we just take a pick tool or something and just, oh, it looks like it's doing something. Oh, there it goes.
That's gone now.
Nice. All right. Did it go inside the car?
Yeah, you lost it. It's over for. It's in there, bro. It's gonna be part of your car in that car's life for a while.
Part of the car forever.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that's actually pretty easy.
Yeah, not bad.
All right, we gotta take off the screw now. Oh, yo, look at all that.
Yeah.
Ew. Ew, brother. What's that, brother?
Thing was holding everything in there.
Yo, legit. The screw is super rusted too. I think this is just a self-tapper. No, it's not, but that's fine. All right, guys, we got the wheel back on, so we're all good on the sensor. We're good on the mud flap. Next thing I want to do is take off those door lights. If you guys remember them, I have those like nice BMW door lights underneath the door over here. While the car's jacked up, I might as well do it now because it's gonna give me more room. Should be super easy. I probably don't even need the trim tool. Come on, there it goes. All right, so it's this light right over here. People like were hating on this. Guys, this isn't just a cheap light. This is like the actual BMW one. Like, look at this. These are, oh, my bad, Sticks. I broke your camera. It's these lights right over here. These are like actually from, like if you go to a BMW dealership and like their parts department, you can actually get these. So I think we just pop it out. Oh, that was actually
that came out so easy, bro.
Yeah, that was even easier than I remember. And then this should just pop in just like that. Now you guys can see we're getting just a normal light. It's basic, but you know what? Like, I'm gonna save these ones maybe for like, maybe I'll put them on the X5.
Why not?
Or maybe the M3. Oh, actually I have other ones coming for the M3.
Is it the same one for the M3 though?
Nah, it's gonna be a little different.
Those look legit.
It says, yeah, it says BMW on it. Someone roasted me on the video, the building F30 video. They're like, oh, you put those cheap AliExpress lights. Like, bro, these are nice.
That's
these
not
are
cheap.
Yeah, these are actually BMW. Anyway, that was easy though. All right, so we went ahead and finished the other side off camera. So I think we're good. Similar to the other side, I turned on the car just to see if I get any codes right away. I didn't. So at this point, what I'm gonna do is take my scan tool and just clear all the codes that have been showing up. And I'm gonna see if anything comes back on. So we'll take the car for a drive. We'll just make sure that everything's good. But let me just tell you guys why I'm doing all this. Well, one, obviously I wanna make sure the F30 is fixed. You guys already know I had it listed for sale, and I said I wanna make sure that everything on this car was good before I sell it. So to make sure that was the case, I did a few things to it. So I got a brand new windshield. I have windshield wipers. I did an oil change, I did brake fluid, I did the whole coolant thing. What else did I do to this car? I have a new OEM battery. I did a whole bunch of stuff to this car to make sure that it's good. But obviously the ABS sensor is the last thing. And guys, I finally found a buyer for the car. That's right, so the F30 is finally gonna be on its way out. The buyer wanted to pick it up like ASAP, but I told them just give me some time to fix the ABS sensor. So that's why I'm doing that today. And then taking off some of those other things on the car that I wanna keep for myself. And yeah, we'll basically be saying goodbye to the F30, which is a bittersweet moment. Obviously, it feels like we've said goodbye to this car a long time ago because we took all the mods off of it. Now it looks like a basic F30 again. Yeah, guys, that's the end of a journey. It's pretty crazy because this car actually probably grew my channel the most out of all the cars on my channel.
Yeah, this car looks so different from...
Yeah, I know. I know, it looks so
like
basic.
A total different car now.
Yeah, it looks so basic because you're used to seeing it when it was modded.
Yeah.
Like ever since we first met, I think when we first met, I had like just put on the wheels.
Yeah.
So I had a good amount of stuff on it, but yeah, it looks really basic.
I think you had the M Sport conversion already on it.
Yeah, I already had the M Sport.
Yeah.
I think the only things that I didn't have on when I met you was the suspension and then like just like maybe front lip and stuff like that. But otherwise, it was mainly done.
Exactly.
But yeah, now it's basic again. So it kind of feels like we said goodbye to this car a long time ago, and it hasn't been on the channel for a while. But now officially, it actually won't be on the channel anymore. So this is the last time you guys are gonna see this car.
Facts.
We'll actually have one other video that I need to upload about it. But other than that, this is the last time you guys are gonna see this car on the channel. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it.
Man, the 330,000.
But anyways, the good news to all this is we can start finally shopping, seriously shopping for the next car. The next car to replace the F30. I have a few ideas, guys, but we have to figure out which way we're gonna go. You're always dancing in the back of my videos.
I'm looking like JD.
Yeah, you're legit.
He's always dancing in the back. He'll be like, I don't know, JD be doing something, bro. But...
Yeah, he's too brolic to dance that well.
Yeah,
Dude is massive. It's like watching the Hulk dance.
Flex.
But yeah, anyways, guys, we have to start looking for another car to replace the F30. I have a few ideas. You guys already know which cars I'm thinking about. I mentioned it in a few videos, like a G20 330i, which I think would be cool. Or we can go another route and get something a little more fun. Maybe like an F82 M4, maybe a Supra, maybe something new that's coming out, because there's a few cars coming out that I think are gonna be sick. So maybe we place an order on one of those. But anyways, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below while Styx is doing some parkour over there.
Parkour.
No, it's fine. Do your thing, bro. Keep going.
Parkour. This is my workout for today, bro. Parkour.
Anyways, guys, with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
All in mind if you don't listen, everybody.